Welcome to 2625 Hudson Street. This home has the Canton trifecta: exposed brick, parking pad out back, and a two-tiered rooftop deck. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and take a look around. This 13-foot wide row home is available now on an extremely sought-after block in Canton. It has a parking pad out back and a two-tiered rooftop deck. The glistening hardwood cascade throughout with tons of natural light. Enjoy your coffered ceilings, exposed brick, and a half bath on the main floor. In the designer chef's kitchen, you'll find high-end white cabinetry, upgraded trim and paint, imported tile, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and oversized paint. Off the kitchen, there's a designated entrance for the parking pad. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a large hall bathroom with a double vanity and laundry and storage area. So what'd you think? Call me or text me at 443-417-6444 or shoot me a DM if you have any questions. And please share with a friend so they can see it as well. Thanks, guys.